In this lecture, I am going to find all tuples of Mealy machine, and also I am going to find output for the input symbol ABA. Now first tuple, that is Q, that is finite non-empty set of state. So here I have three states, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Sigma denotes input alphabet. Q0 is my present state, A present input, next state is Q1. So this input and this one is output. Q1 is my present state, A present input, next state is Q1 and output is A. So here two input symbols are used, A, B. Del, that is output symbol. Q0 is my present state, A present input, next state is Q1 and output is B. Likewise here output is A, here output is B. So I have two output symbol A and B. This is initial state. In this example initial state is Q0. Next is output transition. Q0, if input is A, output is B. Q0, if input is B, output is A. Q1, if input is A, output is B. Q1, if input is A, output is also A. Q1, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output for this is B. Q2, if input is A, next state is Q1, output is B. Q2, if input is B, output is A. Now I completed 5 tuples, one more is remaining, that is transition. So I'm going to draw transition table over here. I'm going to fill this transition table. Q0, if input is A, next state is Q1 and its output is B. Q0, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output is A. Q1, if input is A, next state is Q1 and output is also A. Q1, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output is B. Q1, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output is also B. Q2, if input is A, next state is Q1 and output for this is B. Q2, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output for this is A. Now I am going to find output for this input AB, ABA. Starting from initial state, Q0, if input is A, next state is Q1 and output is B. Next input is B, Q1, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output for this is B. Next input is A, Q2, if input is A, next state is Q1 and output for this is B. Q1, if input is B, next state is Q2 and output for this is B. The next input is A, Q2, if input is A, next state is Q1 and output for this is B. I have got output as I times B. From this we understood that Mealy machine depends on present state as well as present input at any instant of time.